The Xinjiang Uygur Autonomous Region has unveiled the first provincial-level counterterrorism law based on state-level legislation passed in December last year. The local law came into force on August 1st and supplements national laws in defining terrorists and terror activities, security precautions, investigations, and punishment. The new regulations ban the spread of distorted Islamic ideas and emphasize on the importance of the public informing authorities of suspected terrorist activities. It is also illegal to intervene others' marriages, funerals, or inheritance issues for religious reasons. Furthermore, acts such as encouraging others to resist national policies and destroying ID cards and marriage certificates has also been made illegal.